So we've just installed the Larson Platinum roll screen door in the opening. We're getting ready to go to the next step. We put it in, we attached all the screws, closed the trim strips. That door is solid in the opening. Now it's time to put on the door handle. So in the box that the door handle came in, you're going to see all these different parts. This is a little Allen key to lock the door handles to the escutcheons or to the spindle here. This is the interior door handle. The exterior door handle has the spindle. You can flip these around, it doesn't really matter which one's on the inside or outside. The keys to the deadbolt. This is the inner escutcheon, and you'll notice it has screws attached with these little black things. Those black things you want to push all the way down because it will make the screw not flop around. It'll keep the screw straight, which is a lot easier when you're trying to install it in the door. So there's the inner escutcheon. The outside or exterior escutcheon is right here. It's got the door latch or the key right here, and those screws on the inside escutcheon will go into the little black funnels there on the outside one. So it'll look, let me flip this around, it'll look something like that on the inside of your door when it's installed. So let's get ready to install this. We're going to take the outside handle and stick it in right here. There we go. This is assembled. Now we take this over to the door and shove it in like so. Perfect. Now, for those of you that have read the instructions, you might be saying, Storm Door Guy, the instructions say install the door handle before even putting it in the opening. Why would you do that? Well, for me, I found this is easier. The door handle just kind of gets in the way, and you don't run the risk of accidentally opening the door while you're trying to install it, which is a major headache. So just put that door handle on and then pull the handle down, and that will allow you to open the door. Okay, and then you just push until you hear the pop, because that's the hidden door closer up there locking into place. Now we're going to grab the inside escutcheon and tighten up those little black things and make sure the spindle is aligned with the hole right there. And so much easier with two hands. Let's try this again. There we go. There we go. And ta-da. Perfect. So that is in. That is in. You want to finger tighten those screws. Now we're going to come back and grab the little Allen key here. Also, pro tip, grab these keys first thing and stick them in the latch. In my experience, if you don't do that, these guys will grow legs and fall all the way to the bottom of your trash bag, where you will maybe never find them again. Then take the inside door handle, stick it on, push those two together, and I can't do this one-handed, but you see that little set screw there? You're going to tighten that screw down, and that will lock the interior handle to the exterior handle on that spindle. And that is how you mount the Larson door handle set on the Larson Platinum storm door.